Today I'm going to run through this website practice test on the excelpracticeonline.com site. So if you come across to here, they've got an online test here, so we'll have a quick look at it. Okay, so this is a test here now. So it's an Excel self-assessment test. This test is an assessment tool that will help you with checking your level in Excel. Upon completing the questions, you'll get an assessment of your level in Excel. Please note that Excel is a software with many features and uses. Okay, fine. Okay, just answer all the questions and then you evaluate it at the end. Okay, so let's just jump straight to it. So, topic for question 1 is basic formulas. So, what is the result of the following formula? 10 plus 2 times 10. I think this is more of a maths type question because the multiplication comes before the addition. So we need to do 2 times 10, which is 20, plus the 10, which makes it 30. So our answer is 2. Okay. So again, basic formulas. Which of the following functions counts all cells with both numbers or text? Count us? I don't actually even know what that formula is, to be honest, if it is even a formula. Sum ifs, that is only going to sum up cells with a value. If there's any text in the fields, it's going to throw up an error. Count is only looking at numerical numbers as well, but count A looks at both numerical and text, so you can use either or on that, or a mixture. So that one should be answer number 4. So immediate formulas, well, moving up. Text. Which of the following formulas can combine 2 strings together? So text join, that definitely can. Concat can, and so can concatenate. So I suppose it's all of them. Yep, they all can. Just double checking. I think, yep, they're all right. So that should be 4. Number 4 as well. Lookup. I love VLOOKUPs. So, intermediate formula, VLOOKUP. What would be the result of the following formula on table A? VLOOKUP AA1 table A 2 0. So let's see what that's going to do. So it's doing a VLOOKUP. It's looking for this string, so AA1 in this list, well, in this table here. So it's going to look at this. It's going to find this row here. This is saying it's just looking at this table, and this is saying that it needs to do the second column along. So it's this is going to be column 1, that's going to be column 2. So it's looking at the amount, and that just, the 0 just means it's an exact match. So it's going to be looking at the amount, which is 200. So that is number 3 as an answer. Down to the next one, another, count if. So count if K67 to K70, so K67 to K70, so all of those, and it's just looking for the word good within there. So here we can see we've got 3 instances of good, 1, 2, 3, and if it's a count if, it can look at the text there, so that's fine. So it's going to be answer number 3. It's also an answer called in answer 3. So the intermediate now, formula, sum if. What's the result of a following formula? Sum if K80 to K83. So that's your criteria range. Then your criteria is good. So there's 3, sorry, it's all of these here, sorry. Your criteria is good, so it's only looking at these, it's only going to pick these 3, and it's going to sum up the adjacent column, which is J. So it's going to sum up anywhere where this column is showing good. It's going to sum up the numbers here, so it's these 3 here. So the answer should be 454, which you can see at the bottom down here in small, or we can just do a quick calc in here. 454 for those. That's answer number 1. So how can I keep only unique values in my Excel. Transpose, that's not going to just keep unique values. So transpose will basically put anything that's in a list down here, it will switch it to this way round. So if it's in a column, it will switch it all to rows. So that will just take anything which is in there, if it's duplicated or not, doesn't make a difference. So that one doesn't work. That definitely won't be it. The unique function will do, so that will give us a unique list of values. So let's make a quick list of A, B, A, C. So if we do equals unique, highlight all of these ones, close the brackets, and we can see that we've just got the unique list A, B, and C. So it's ignoring this duplicated A here. Okay. So that definitely does work. Sort and filter, that doesn't remove, I suppose you can. Yeah, it doesn't actually remove values. It won't only keep unique ones because, yeah, you're filtering at the end of the day. So no, if you filter and there's multiple number 100s in there, it will just filter on that. It can't uniquely just keep one value there. So, and answers 1 and 2. So that's not right. So it's definitely this one as a correct answer. So number 2. Okay, some intermediate formula errors. What does the following mean when it appears in a cell? So all hashes. So you've probably seen that fairly often. All that really means is that the number is too big to fit into a cell. So there's not enough space. So if we've got a number in here, let's just type a long number in here. It will do show it like that. But if it's too large, it will just kind of display hashes, but the number is still there, so you can still reference it. So over here, you could still say that it equals this here, and you can still see the number. It's just in this cell, it's not visible because it's too long, and it's not even got enough space to put like your 5.6 plus e to the plus 13. It hasn't got enough space for that. So that's definitely one of the answers. Is there another answer? Division by 0, no, that will throw up an error. Not found, nope. Excel's about to crash, nope. That's not, it's definitely number 1. Advanced tools, okay. Which word is used for a declaration of variables in VBA? Now, I suppose this one is only relevant for people that are actually going to be using VBA. Probably for a lot of users, you won't be, but if you are, you probably already know what the answer for this one is, and it's dim. It's basically, it's a dimension. So var, it's not that. Let, you can almost use it within Excel as a variable. You can actually use it in Excel as a variable. And then lambda is, yeah, it's just like a custom function, isn't it, for that one? So the answer for VBA's purposes is dim. Please rate your level of confidence in Excel functions. Oh, let's see. Do I put 4 or do I go for, I know many functions. Let's just go number 4 here. Let's see the results. See how many we've got correct. Hopefully more than one. What? I didn't answer number 7. I missed number 7. Oh no, I didn't put an answer in number 7. We did say it was a unique function, so let's drop that back in there again. Okay, so everything is correct. Whew, got scared there for a second. You are an expert. Wow.